Hi, my name is Harshodhan Chaturvedi and I am a legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today we are going to discuss about a case law which is Surya Pratap versus State of Uttar Pradesh. In this case, Allahabad High Court stays arrest of retired IAS officer booked for Twitter on COVID-19 management in Uttar Pradesh. It was alleged by the state that the photographs attached to the tweet were from 2014 and were deliberately used to spread hatred and result in spreading tension among different sections in the locality. Allahabad High Court has stayed the arrest of Surya Pratap Singh, a former Indian Administrative Service officer who was booked for posting certain photographs on Twitter in relation to COVID-19 management in the state. A bench comprising of Justice Ramesh Sinha, Jaspreet Singh, directed police authorities not to take any coercive action against the accused and stayed the arrest till the next date of listing or till submission of policy report under section 173 subsection 2 of CRPC, if any, before the competent court, which is earlier the arrest of the petitioner Surya Pratap Singh under section 153, 465 and 505 of IPC. Section 21 of Uttar Pradesh Public Health and Epidemic Disease Control Act 2000, Section 54 of the Disaster Management Act 2005, and Section 67 of the IT Technology and Amendment Act 2000. Police Station Kotwali District Uno shall remain state of course subject to the strain that the petitioner shall fully cooperate with the investigation and shall appear as and when called upon to assist in the investigation. A FIR was registered against Singh for a tweet which he posted on May 13. It was alleged that the photographs attached to the tweet were from 2014 and were deliberately used to spread hatred and resulted in spreading tensions among different sections in the locality. He was charged with the offence under Section 153 Act with the intention to cause riot, 465 forgery and 505 public mischief of IPC. The counsel for the petitioner Amarendra Nath argued that the petitioner is a responsible citizen and he never intended to spread any rumor or panic among people through his tweet. Instead, the objective of the tweet was that bodies of dead persons be treated with respect and cremated as per religious rituals. It was also argued that FIR was an attempt to throttle the voice of dissent and impinge upon freedom of speech and expression. It was also pointed out that the National Human Rights Commission had taken cognizance of the burial of the dead bodies and dead bodies floating in the river Ganga and issued notice to the state government. Further, the petitioner's counsel submitted that since the respective photographs through real could be misused, he had immediately deleted a tweet in large interest of public. Reliance was also placed on order of Supreme Court in the suo motu case on COVID-19 distribution of essentials and services during pandemic, in which the top court had that no coercive action should be taken for reporting, ventilating the grievance regarding COVID-19 on social media. After considering the submission of the parties, the court said that a case for interim relief was made out and stayed the rest. A FIR was registered against Singh for a tweet which he posted on May 13. It was alleged that the photographs attached to the tweet were from 2014 and were deliberately used to spread hatred and resulted in spreading tension among different sections. He was charged with the offence under Section 153 Act with the intention to cause riot, 465 forgery and 505 public mischief of the IPC. It was argued that FIR was an attempt to throttle the voice of dissent and impinged upon the freedom of speech and expression.